Hey everyone, Lenny here from One Tech Stop, and I'm here to actually install this new screen protector I got from Whitestone Dome Glass. This is not your traditional type of installation. This is like a whole kit with a UV light curing adhesive. So wish me luck here. This seems to be pretty intense, so to speak. So hopefully I do this correctly. Bear with me, guys. I'm doing this on cue here. No training, no previous installation. So we'll just get right to it. So I'm going to install it on my S9 Plus, which is right here. And it comes with this full instructional kit. You also need a power source. This is for the UV lighting to cure the adhesive onto it. So you could use a laptop, you could use a spare battery pack that I'm gonna test right now to make sure everything goes on. And they give you the other basics inside. You know, they give you like an alcohol prep pad that you'll clean off the screen. They give you dust stickers to remove any excess dust that you might have on the screen. This is the UV light power that we have to power up, and I'm just going to test it to make sure that it works. So you would plug it in. There has to be a power button here, and if I hit it, yep, there it is, as you can tell. See, so we have all that set right now. I'm going to power off my device. We have the kit right here. So what happens is you lay your S9 Plus or S9 inside this kit right here. Hopefully my table is aligned. And I have actually a screen protector on here that I'm going to remove right in front of you guys. I actually like this screen protector. That was I used many tempered glass on the S9 and I really did not like it. I mean, the touch sensitivity wasn't that great. This is the alcohol prep pad that I was talking about. I'm going to take it out. We're going to clean this up. Make sure we get it nice and clean. Up. They also gave us some wipes, adhesive pads, because we put an adhesive on and it could drip to the side if you don't do this correctly. They give you a piece of tape for speaker protection. So we will put it right here, like so. This is the little adhesive jar that they give you. You unscrew this top, like so, and you screw it into this like so. So that will be ready to go. They also give you stickers to remove the excess dust if you have any. And I'm trying to find out where I put them because there's so many pieces that come with this that I want to make sure I have them. And I think they're right here. This is the dust remover, so this looks very nice so far. Let me just remove one of these just in case. I see. They give you this little plastic tab and this covering that goes on. It fits into the slot like this. This goes in here, so you could actually this holds the screen protector up. Now with the screen protector, you will, let me just double check, make sure. Okay, so what I do here is I put this in like so. I would remove the top cap and let the adhesive in. So we'll do that now, and I keep seeing dust, which kills me. So we'll open this up, and this should let the adhesive pour out, and it should say centered. And once that's all out, it's still dripping. Still trying to get some dust particles, but I don't want to move any of that liquid. Okay, so once that's out, we remove this. We then remove the plastic on the screen protector, like so, and we lay it right on top of here, like so. Then we gently tilt it so it goes in the middle, and we have to pull this pin as it hits the center. So like right about here. And that's supposed to cover the whole entire adhesive and screen on both ends. And once it's completely sealed like that, as you can see, it's spreading to this corner over here, and it seems to be everywhere. I don't know if I'm supposed to remove this now, but I'm just going to pull it up a little. I don't know if that was a good thing to do, because it looks like there's some adhesive by my speaker. But anyway, we're going to curate it for 15 seconds now on each end. So we'll turn this on, and we hold it for 15 seconds here at the bottom, and then 15 seconds at the top. Okay, after that, we remove the masking tape. Which I hope didn't do anything to my speaker here. We remove the masking tape, and we remove the adhesive pads from what it says. So get these out and this out, and then we do it for 60 seconds on each side. And that should be it. Actually, let me stop that for a second. What we do is we take this off as I'm reading the instructions. Now we take it out. We can take it out of here now. Lay it down. And then we do it for 60 seconds. Now we go to the other side. This defaults at 60 seconds, so go another 60 seconds here. And this should be basically it. Again, this is my first time doing it. I could have missed a couple of steps. After doing it, it seems fairly easy. It don't seem as bad as it actually seems. But I think we should have like an okay time just doing this. It don't seem to be too bad. And that should be it. And this should be the finished product. So I'm going to power this on. And we could test the sensitivity, which seems excellent so far. I mean, it's okay. Slide up, slide down, slide up, slide down. And everything seems to be fine. The screen looks actually very clear, very nice. Everything seems to fit perfectly fine. Sensitivity seems to be great. So this is Lenny Bonds signing off from One Tech Stop. Again, this is the glass dome screen protector from Whitestone. If you could see it right there. I'll zoom in so you could check that out. Listen, I'll let you know in a couple of days if you should run out and buy this. But from early impressions, it seems like it does a great job. I love the way that you cure the screen protector onto it using the UV light. And I actually like the way the adhesive just spreads throughout the device evenly with no mess or no fuss. This is Lenny Bond signing off from One Tech Stop. Thank you.